Good morning, sir. My name is Ajay Kumar Singh. I am a student of BSc AG Honors 4th year. I am currently studying at Jawaharlal Nehru Krishi Vidyalaya, College of Agriculture, Rewa. Today I am representing my topic seed production technology, hybrid seed production technology of chili. Scientific name Capsicum fruitescens, family Solanaceae, common name is chili, origin Mexico, chromosome number 24 and 26. Hybrid seed production of chili. The most productive and desirable hybrid seed obtained from the female parent will there is perfect consideration of stigma, respectiveness, and pollen viability. The hybrid seed production block must be isolated at least 400 meters from other hybrid varieties of chili. The female and male should be planted in the ratio of 2:1. The plant to plant spacing from the female line is 45 cm from male line. The male line produces two types of flowers, 50% fertile and 50% sterile. The sterile plants are required for hybrid seed production in chili. Pollination. The chili crops is often cross-pollinated and percent of cross-pollination is up to 14%. Pollination was carried out daily between 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. For better fruit set and seed yield, 4 beehives should be kept per acre for effective pollination. The time of pollination and ratio between female and male flower crossing is be optimized to get increased seed set and yield. Emasculation. Removal of stamens from bisexual flower is called as emasculation. The worth opened in the nest day were selected in female parent and emasculation was carried out by removing the stamens. These emasculation words are covered with water paper to avoid cross-pollination. The emasculation was carried out daily from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Field inspection. The first inspection shall be made before flowering on order to verify isolation, volunteer plants and other relative factors. Second, the second inspection shall be made during flowering to check isolation of types and other relevant factors. Third, the third inspection shall be made at maturity and period of harvesting to verify true nature of plant and other relative factors. Specific standards factors of type and designated disease plant foundation seed production 0.01%, 0.01%, certified 0.02%, 0.05%. The designated disease are caused by Coletotrichum capsicis and leaf blight caused by Alternaria solani. Seed standards, variety and hybrids. Factors, pure seed, foundation 98%, certified 98%. Interred matter, foundation 2%, certified 2%. Other crop seed, foundation 5 per kg, certified 10 per kg. Weed seeds, foundation 5 per kg and certified 10 per kg. Germination, foundation 60%, certified 60%. Moisture content, foundation 8%, certified 8%. For BP container, foundation 6%, certified 6%. Harvesting and yield. Harvesting. Chili which are used for vegetable purpose are generally harvested while they are still green but full grown. Chili is highly perishable in nature. It requires more attention during harvest. Should be done at the right stage of maturity. Post harvesting takes. This can be done in three phases. Drawing first phase, drawing second phase, curdling three phase, packing and storage. Yield. The yield varies according to the system of cultivation. The yield of dry chilies of rain-fed crops is 200 to 400 kg and irrigated crop 600 to 1000 kg per acre. The proportion of dry to fresh Jap chilies varies from 25 to 14%.